Sure, we could show our sleek products or impressive installations, but Biamp Workplace is bigger than that. It's the platform that supports the entire AV lifecycle, from first designs through deployment to daily operations with real-time insights. That means no more emergency calls or hunting through multiple systems, just the confidence that every space works as it should. And with Biamp Workplace, the technology fades into the background. So you trust it, and therefore you can focus on what you do best. So we're a team of passionate AV nerds that have taken everything we know about design, management and operations and turned it into one powerful platform. Cloud connected, secure and always ready. So wherever you are, whatever space you step into, Biamp Workplace gives you the confidence that it just works. That's Biamp Workplace.